Get ready for one of the most anticipated drone launches of the upcoming year. DJI has officially unveiled the Mini 5 Pro, and it's generating serious buzz. With cutting-edge features packed into an ultra-lightweight frame, this next-gen mini drone could become the new gold standard for sub-250 grams flyers. Whether you're a travel vlogger, drone hobbyist, or someone holding off for a meaningful upgrade, this release might just be the one you've been waiting for. DJI's announcement confirms not only the design and features, but also pricing and release window. It's shaping up to be a major leap forward, not just a minor update. The Mini 5 Pro introduces a redesigned body that's more aerodynamic and durable while staying within the key 250-gram threshold. That means it'll still qualify for relaxed drone regulations in many regions, making it perfect for frequent flyers and international travelers. The foldable structure remains, but expect better hinge durability, enhanced gimbal protection, and improved thermal performance, all while housing more powerful internal components. Pricing starts at around $999 for the base version. DJI is also expected to offer a Fly More combo that includes additional batteries, charging hubs, propellers, and potentially a new high-end controller, with that package possibly climbing to $1,299 or more. If premium accessories are bundled in, pricing could go even higher, particularly for creators seeking a full-featured setup. The real standout lies in the camera system. Rumors suggest a larger 1-inch or enhanced 1.3-inch sensor for superior dynamic range and low-light performance. Combined with a possible f1.7 lens or even a variable aperture, users will have far greater control over exposure and image quality. Expect smooth 4000 recording at 60 fps, 10-bit color depth, and high dynamic range, ideal for cinematic production. DJI is leaning heavily into AI. Scene recognition, auto-framing, and upgraded subject tracking are expected to be built right into the camera system. These improvements aim to make features like quick shots, master shots, and focus track more intuitive and reliable. For creators, this turns the drone into a smart, flying camera that competes with larger professional rigs. Flight automation also gets a major upgrade. Enhanced AI could allow for better obstacle avoidance, smarter route planning, and dynamic flight adjustments in real time. Gesture controls and voice-activated commands may become more responsive and accurate. DJI might even roll out built-in editing tools and direct-to-cloud upload features to streamline sharing and workflow. Battery life is another big focus. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to achieve over 40 minutes of flight per charge, thanks to efficiency upgrades in motors, battery management systems, and weight distribution. A redesigned charging hub with fast charging support could also mean less downtime between shoots, a huge plus for those working in the field. Safety features are expanding too. Obstacle sensing is set to be more accurate and comprehensive, improving capabilities like precision landing, return to home, and intelligent tracking. These features make the drone accessible even to beginners, allowing them to capture complex shots safely and confidently. All in all, the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears to combine portability, power, intelligence, and safety in one sleek package. If DJI delivers on all these promises without pushing it over the critical 250-gram mark, this drone could dominate the lightweight category. It's designed not just to fly, but to simplify high-quality aerial content creation for everyone from professionals to first-timers. Stay tuned, this might just be the best compact drone investment of 2025.